Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm kind of halfway through, or not halfway, I just started making a meal. I'm making chicken enchiladas today, and it's the first time I'm making them, but I thought I'd share my little journey with you guys. I got some shredded chicken with sauteed onions right here that I made in the slow cooker earlier, and right now I'm softening these corn tortillas in this oil, which is a little bit of a process. You just want to quickly throw them in, flip them, just to get them soft and pliable, and then throwing them right on here. And then so you just need some, for the sauce, you're going to need some oil, onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and ground cumin, which I had to ground myself because I only had regular, like, whole cumin. And then, oh yeah, and then a tomato chicken bouillon cube, and then 2 cups of water, and a 1/4 cup of flour. So when I get to that, I will show you a little bit more in depth in that. I just got done heating up all of my corn tortillas. I made about 20 of them I did. So now I'm going to start on the sauce. Okay, so you're going to need a 1/4 cup of oil to start.
Hi guys.
It's Bea. Pour that in. And then you're going to need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I already have the tablespoon marker in here. I'm gonna whisk a little bit. You're gonna want your pan on a medium heat. You don't want it too high. You don't want to burn your seasonings. You don't want any of this to start burning. Now the last tablespoon. Set that aside. So yeah, I'm gonna whisk this together. Make sure there's no clumps. I got this recipe for the sauce from a different channel called Simply Mama Cooks. I don't know if you've heard of her, but it seemed like a very simple recipe, but also very flavorful. Alright, so that's whisked up pretty good. I'm gonna crumble in this tomato chicken bouillon cube. This has a lot of sodium. You won't need to add any extra sodium when you add this. So sprinkle that on in. I've seen other recipes without this, and this just seems like the best choice. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. She lied. Two tablespoons chili powder. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. So now, after I did the seasonings, I put in 2 cups of water to this and then whisked it up. This is the consistency it's at right now. And then I started rolling my enchiladas and the corn tortillas and the chicken mixture with a little bit of cheese. I put a little extra chicken on top with cheese. And now I was going to put on, I think I'm going to do the sauce first and then some of this sliced cheese because I'm running out of cheese on top of that, and then some more sauce. And then I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in. Also preheated my oven to 375. So I just threw it in, you cover it and you throw it in for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, pull off the cover, and put it in for another 10 to 15 minutes until the desired cheese texture you'd like. And I'll show you the finished product. So I forgot to take a video of the final review, but this is it. I had to cook it a little bit longer, but I think I cooked it too long. I ended up doing it covered for 30 minutes and then probably do it uncovered for like 5 or 10 minutes, and it tastes delicious. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.